Hello everyone, welcome to my new video of part 3, Standard 6, Civics, chapter number 4, Urban Local Government Bodies. In our previous video, we have understood about Nagar Panchayat and its functions. We also understood about the Municipal Council along with its functions. We are very well aware about the election process and the source of income. Now, let's check out more information about Municipal Corporation. Municipal Corporation provides services in big cities. So, where does Municipal Corporation work? Yes, it works in place where it is a big city. The first city in India to have a Municipal Corporation is Mumbai. As we all know, the elections are held every 5 years. After the general elections, the elected members are known as corporators. These corporators elect a mayor and a deputy mayor from among themselves. Who is this mayor? The mayor is the head of municipal corporation. He is considered to be the first citizen of the city. What is his duties now? His prime duty is to solve the issues and problems of the people living in the city. He also takes decisions related to the development of the city. Then he has to see or look into the matter to solve the problems and decide for the development of the city. The mayor also has to preside over the general body meetings of the corporation. Now why does he have to do so many tasks? Definitely for only one reason, and that reason is for the better and smooth functioning of the city. For that, what does he do? He appoints different committees. Okay, so different committees are allocated like Health Committee, Education Committee, Transport Committee, like that. Many more different committees are set up by him for the smooth and better functioning of the city. Children, if we look about the administration part of the corporation, we all know that the mayor is the ceremonial head of a municipal corporation. But the municipal commissioner is appointed by the state government from the Indian Administrative Service to head the administrative staff. He leads the administrative staff. He suggests, he gives the decisions, he looks into the matter and takes care of the city. The commissioner is actually responsible for implementing the decisions taken. We can take latest example about COVID-19. Like the government has given a protocol of social distancing, isn't it, because of this pandemic, and also they have suggested every citizen to use a mask for the safety, isn't it, children? Then what is the role of commissioner here? He has to take care that it is actually followed by the people. In reality, he has to see whether whatever government has told, are the people following. He has to check out that. Okay, so he makes sure about the implementation of the policy, whether it is done everywhere around the city. Along with this, he also prepares the annual budget of the corporation and also remains present for the general body meetings. Okay, so you see, the commissioner also is a very important part of municipal corporation along with mayor. Okay, so now let us see the functions of the corporation. The first and most important one is they have to see or look into the matter of water supply. Then they have to check out the registration of birth, death and marriages. Then there are some elementary educations that has to be given. Then fire services, if there is an emergency, if there is sudden fire anywhere around the city, he has to take care of that. Then protection of environment is our prime duty nowadays, because we all know the health hazards, the ill health that we are having, the lack of immunity is just because of the unhealthy environment that we live in. So protection of environment is also an extremely important part. Okay, then the next one is regulation of land use and construction of buildings. So all the permissions are given by municipal corporation. Okay, they have to even look after the public health, sanitization and waste management. So these are very, very important functions of the corporation. To perform several functions, they need money, which is collected in the form of tax. For example, house tax, property tax, water tax, profession tax, entertainment tax, then even raising loans, then grants are provided by the respective state government. For example, Maharashtra, if you see, then Maharashtra state government will grant some funds, they will provide some money for the help of the city. So such helps are taken for proper functioning and upliftment of the city. Now you observe the following chart and understand about the local government bodies at urban level. Then you will also understand the strength and the members, the office bearers and the officials. So you need to study this chart thoroughly, so you will get the whole picture in your mind about how and the members are there, then how they function, how many members are there, how many seats are there. All this you will understand only by understanding this chart that is given below. Before we end the session, now let us try to answer the following questions. The first one is, what would you do? These are practical level questions, which such types of questions are usually asked for board exams. So let us try and answer all these questions. First question, when you hand over our household waste to the waste picker, every morning you will find that a waste picker comes and you give all the collected garbage in your house to him. So what is your prime duty? How will you give? Yes, we will make sure that the organic and inorganic waste is separated. Means the wet garbage and the dry garbage is separated by us. The waste picker will not do it. It is our waste, no? It is our at home level waste. So we can of course separate the dry waste and the wet waste and then give to the waste picker. See children, being an Indian citizen, it is a prime duty to do the basic things for the sake of our city, town or nation. We cannot blame the government for everything. If each citizen plays a positive role and understands his or her duties towards the nation, yes, definitely this world will be a happy place to live in, isn't it? Okay, so the next question now is, the road is waterlogged as the water pipe has broken. Now as a child, as a student, what would you do? Will you go and repair the pipe yourself? Can you do it? Definitely not. So what is the prime duty? We will inform the Public Works Department immediately, because the water goes waste on the road, then there would be accidents. The next question is, many people are throwing plastic bags from the bridge into the river. Then as a student, what would you do if you see some people throwing all this garbage inside the water, inside the river? Yes, first of all, it is our prime duty to inform about this to the municipal commissioner about the same. Then the second, what we can do is we can bring awareness among the people, because many people are unaware about the ill effects and how we pollute the water bodies. They are not aware. So we will make them aware about this and make them conscious. So yes, definitely things will change. That's all in today's video, children. Keep practicing and do read this lesson once again for better understanding. Thank you.